trying to put my people, our people, in a position to where we can get financial freedom. And I'm trying to prove to people that it don't take a lot of money. I always got a couple rules. 1, do your research into the company. 2, buy low. 3, sell high. I got the kid into investing. I had my first kid at 18, started a mutual fund from him. And then once I did that, I always had that in the back of my head of something I wanted to get into. Starbucks, Jumia, Tesla, Disney, Nike, fuel cell, plug power. I just got into it and just wanted to just share my experience with the people.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Brother DJ, coming to you live from the studio on this frosty. It wasn't too frosty, but it's getting frosty now. It's actually a pretty good Friday night. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's having a good Friday, work-wise, whatever it is you're doing out there. Shout out to all the subscribers that we got. You know what I'm saying? I definitely see you creeping up. 2 more away from hitting a little milestone, so that's greatly appreciated to everybody who's rocking with us, and to everybody who's probably gonna be rocking with us in the future. Shout out to y'all. Make sure you hit the like button, comment, and all that other good stuff. Keep subscribing to the channel. Make sure you subscribe to Junkyard Game as well. They're doing big things over there. Shout out to all my Junkyard Game members and Squad Cast members. You know what I'm saying? That's not in the building with me right now. Shout out to Midwest Matthew. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to that brother. So without that being said, we're gonna keep this one kind of short and sweet. Pretty much the goal of this one is talk about buying the dips. It's blood on the street, so we got to eat, family. You know what I'm saying? Today in the market wasn't really the best day. It hasn't been really the best last couple of days, really last week or so. But it gives us opportunity to kind of do a little shopping, see what we want to add to our portfolio, see what kind of positions we want to continue to build, things of that nature. So we're definitely going to get into that. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and get into the portfolio. Nothing too much change here. Still the same thing. I really haven't bought anything new, just added some. I didn't really add anything to the watch list neither. But there are some stocks I want to talk about that I didn't foresee being as low that there are, which presents a great buying opportunity for those who just want to kind of get in, those who, well, like I said, want to continue to build out their positions or get into something new. So with that being said, guys, we're going to talk about Tesla. Elon Musk, Tesla. You know, their ticker symbol TSLA. Current stock price right now is $850.50. They're down today just a little over 2%. But the last time I talked about Tesla, they were in the 900s, like 950s, 960 range. Something like that. And for them to be in the 850s, this is a great opportunity to go ahead and try to, if anything, add them to your watch list. All right. I mean, this is when I got into Tesla, like I said, my average cost per share was $527.88. So I'm currently up just a little over 61% right now. It's all about when you get in that, determines how much of a profit you're going to get. And with Tesla stock being at $850.50, this is a great opportunity to go ahead and buy in. And I'm not necessarily saying go ahead and get a whole share if you can't afford a whole share. You can definitely get your fractional share and things of that nature to go ahead and still be able to make money, because Tesla had a 52-week low of $539.49. But we all know Tesla did have a 52-week high of over $1,200. Their stock price is over $1,200. So for it to drop almost pretty much $400, this is a great opportunity for those who were scared or didn't want to get in when it was at $1,200 or $1,100 or even $1,000. Now it's at $850. With the market being closed on Monday, this definitely gives an opportunity for you to kind of do your research and to see if this is something that you want to get into. The next one that I want to talk about is Apple. And Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. Current stock price right now is $166.48. They're down today just under 1%. Not really did much in after hours trading. But guys, It's all about when you get into these plays. Like right now, up in Apple, just a little over 32% because I have an average cost per share of 125.23. So, it's all about when you get in. I didn't foresee Apple to get as low as 166.48. Right now, I mean, they had a 52-week low of 116.21, but they had a 52-week high of 182.94. And we all know Apple is one of the conglomerate companies, one of the mainstays, one of the go-tos, one of the big boys. And they're going to continue to do that. Everybody is in love with Apple. They make good products and things of that nature. But for the stock price to be as low as 166.48 is definitely something else that I would want to add to my watch list at the very least. Just to see if it goes down even more. Like I said, I didn't think Tesla would go down to 850, but you never know. You just never know. Apple could go down to like maybe 160 in the 150s range. You know what I'm saying? If you got a couple dollars, you can get you a couple shares or a fractional share, whatever the case may be. But Apple was here to stay, and they're a great company to go ahead and look into. Not to mention, they give a small dividend yield. It's just a 0.5% of the dividend yield, but I mean, you're gonna get something else extra pretty much for holding stock. So, kudos to Apple. They're kind of taking a little beating right now, but that's a lot of companies. The next one I want to talk about is Nike. Nike got a current stock price right now of 141.28. They're up just a little bit today, not much, not even qualifying as a percent. But right now, I'm currently up just a little over 12% because I have an average cost per share of 125.65. Nike has been kind of doing this thing as far as not nosediving, but slowly dropping. And that's something to watch. So I would say definitely put this on your watch list. I mean, they had a 52-week low of 125.44, but had a 52-week high of 179.10. So with it being in the 141, 179.10, so obviously you can see how much it's dropped over the last couple of weeks or months, whatever. I think if Nike was to continue to drop to maybe the 130s, 120s, that would be a great buying opportunity for somebody to get in. I don't want to say I don't think. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just giving you the information from what I research and things of that nature. But I mean, if you're able to get into Nike at like 130, 125, hell, even if it drops like 115, those are great buying points. It really is. And you don't want to go all in and with $1,000 and just snatch up all $1,000 worth of shares in Nike. I wouldn't recommend doing that. As volatile as the market has been, I would definitely put a couple, at least about 400 or 500. If you half of that just to nibble on and see, and watch it, grow as we go into 2022. So definitely have Nike on there. I would suggest looking at Nike. Another one, I'm going to go with the big boys here. Microsoft, ticker symbol MSFT. Current stock price right now, 285.70. Once again, you don't have to get a whole share if you can't get it. But, right now, I'm currently up just a little over 10% in this particular play because I got average cost per share of 259.56. And what happens is I get dividends from them, so I auto reinvest my dividends and it goes back into whatever the current stock price is, whatever the case may be. But 285.70 is the current stock price right now. All right, they had a 52-week low of 224.26, but a 52-week high of 349.67, so almost 350. All right, so they're pretty much down a significant amount from, it's a far cry from what it was 52 weeks. I mean, when they had that 52-week high. But that also lets you know that you can go ahead and put this on your watch list or invest. We all know how great Microsoft is. It's just like Apple pretty much, except, they give a little bit of high over dividend yield. Not much. It's not a whole percent, but it's higher than Apple's. Stock price is higher than Apple, but still, if it continues to drop, in like 270 range, maybe 265, definitely great. Those are great buying points. If it continues to drop, you know, you gotta feast. You gotta feast. When there's blood on the street, we gotta eat. You know what I'm saying? When there's blood on the street, we gotta eat. We can't be doing that. You know what I'm saying? So definitely look into Microsoft. I would definitely do that. As far as any other ones, I mean, I would definitely, from a banking standpoint, I would look at Morgan Stanley, ticker symbol MS. Current stock price right now is $95.07. I'm currently up just a little over 1% in this particular place. And I got an average cost per share of 93.76. That also happens because I got auto reinvest on my dividends, so they give a good dividend yield, 2.5%. So that's definitely something to look into. They had a 52-week low of $75.43, but they had a 52-week high of $109.73. So it lets you know that there's still room to grow. All the financials, as far as banking sectors, are kind of being hit today. Look at Wells Fargo. Their current stock price right now is $55.46. Bank of America is $45.75. So you can definitely look into those three if you want to pick a banking sector. I mean, you can even look at Square, or you know, they call it Block now. Cash App, that's what it is. Ticker symbol SQ. You know, they're down right now to 96.70. So if you wanted to look, or you know, you got JP. Where is he at? Hold on. Yeah, JP Morgan. They're at 151.35. You know, I mean, there's just whatever, whenever you want to get into, you know, put them all on your watch list, and then you decide based on what you're seeing, the research you've done, and things of that nature. All right, but those are the stocks that I would say definitely look into getting a position in, or continue to build your position if you already got it. The next thing we're going to talk about in the next Wolf on Wall Street I do is definitely going to gear more towards cryptocurrency. It's definitely been taking a beating as well. But we're going to talk about that then. But I definitely appreciate you guys' time. Please make sure that you continue to subscribe to the channel. Please spread the word. You know, I definitely want to see everybody make money. I want to see financial freedom for everybody. That's the reason why I do this, to let you know that you can get money in the stock market, cryptocurrency, NFTs, and things of that nature. Forget what Brother Chef is talking about. You can get money out here on this online, in this metaverse, all right? So y'all be safe out there. Peace to the family.